going to look at a typical manual entry of 2 periods of other work between withdrawing your digital tachograph and inserting it. On the 18th of November, you withdraw your card at 00:00 hours, but didn't finish work until 00:15 hours. Tuesday, 28th of November, you started work at 15:45, but didn't insert your digital tachograph card until 1600 hours. Therefore, you have 15 minutes to add to your working time on the 18th of November and 15 minutes to today's working time. On inserting your card, the unit asks if you want to make a manual entry. You need to answer yes, as you need to record your extra work. You now have a display showing the date and time you last withdrew your card and the date and time you inserted your card. You now need to enter the activities between these dates and times. The first one is 15 minutes of work between 00:00 hours and 00:15 hours. You change the icon to Other Work. The date to the 18th of November and the time to 00:15 hours. The next activity is your rest from the 18th until you started today, the 28th, at 15:45 hours. You change the icon to Rest, the date to the 28th, and the time to 15:45. The next activity is your Other Work from 15:45 hours until now. You change the icon to Other Work. The date is already on the 28th, and the time has already defaulted to the time now, so you just need to OK it. Now all you need to do is confirm and publish your entries. Once published, you need to change the mode to Other Work and you're ready to complete a vehicle check